I would like an attorney, please.
You're not under arrest.
I would like an attorney, please.
Okay. Yeah. You don't have that right unless you get it.
I'm not going to answer any questions, sir.
Hello.
Hi. Mind if I ask what you're recording? Mind if I ask why is it an issue?
It's not an issue.
Oh, okay.
I'm just asking what.
Oh,
so
I can't discuss that right now because it's classified.
Welcome back to our case study and breakdown series. Today, we're taking you straight to California and an undisclosed high-tension lobby where interactions between citizens and law enforcement hit a boiling point. These officers went way too far by demanding IDs and pushing boundaries. But wait until you see how these citizens stood their ground. Massive shout out to the original channel's First Amendment rights and our first creator for exposing these encounters and spreading critical civil rights awareness. Will they hand over their IDs under pressure, or will they break the system? Hit that subscribe button for the original creators right now through the link in the description. Go drop them a follow and comment on their video that ID Refusal 11 sent you, because we love civil rights. Lock in, because you are definitely going to learn a lot today, and you will absolutely have some strong opinions on this one.
Are you involved in this in here?
Am I involved in what?
Yeah. I'm gonna have to have you not go anywhere. Come here.
What?
Come here.
Am I being detained?
Come here.
Am I being detained?
Yes, you are. Because if you're involved in this, yes, you are.
Am I being detained for what crime?
An investigation.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Go ahead and do your investigation, sir.
Okay. And I'm gonna ask you to come step in here so I can keep an eye on you so you don't leave.
Go ahead. Okay. After you?
Step in.
I don't trust you behind me, sir.
I don't trust you either.
I don't trust you behind me. What's your name and badge number?
I don't know who you are.
What is your name and
but
badge
you know
number?
Who I work for, right?
What is your name and badge number? I don't care who you work for.
Deputy
That's-
Rodriguez, 1423.
Thank you. That's all I need from you.
Step in.
So I'm being detained at this time, sir?
Yes, sir.
For what crime?
We're in investigation. Pending investigation. All right. Stay right there. Yes, sir. Yeah, we're in the bonding. At the front.
So guys, it looks like it's not looking good for me. I am detained at this point for simply trying
You
to...
guys came out and met me, so nothing yet. I'm saying them, it's just so the investigation, so we can do our investigation, so that way he doesn't leave. No, he's standing right here in front of me, so. Yep. Take it back. So, what are you doing here?
I would like an attorney, please.
You're not under arrest.
I would like an attorney, please.
Okay. Yeah. You don't have that right unless you get it.
I'm not going to answer any questions, sir.
Under the Fifth Amendment and the landmark ruling in Miranda v. Arizona, law enforcement routinely exploits public ignorance to bypass constitutional protections. While Miranda warnings are legally mandated during a custodial interrogation, any individual detained by police retains the absolute right to remain silent at any moment.
What's your name? You don't have a name? Did you have any communication with our staff up here at the front? Did you talk to them?
I'm going to let you do your investigation, sir.
I am. You want to cooperate with me or not?
Am I free to go?
No, you're not. We're still investigating. So if you don't want to talk to me, you're just going to stand there and do what you're doing.
Am I being detained?
Do you understand?
Am I being detained?
Sir, if you need to refer to the first command that I gave you, go ahead and play that back, okay? Do you understand what I'm telling you?
I would like an attorney,
Do
please.
you understand what I'm telling you?
I would like an attorney, please.
I'm gonna take that as a no, so I'm gonna tell you again, we're investigating harassment and somebody that meets your descriptors up here at this office as a suspect, okay? So that's why you're being detained. Does that make it a little bit more clear?
I would like an attorney, please.
You're not under arrest, so you don't have that right. Do you want to identify yourself? Sir, do you want to identify yourself?
No, sir.
So you just stay right there until I tell you you can.
Is it okay if I go outside and smoke a cigarette? I'll be right there. I'm not going anywhere. I live for this stuff, man.
Yeah, I know you do.
Okay, I'll be here. Alright.
You got any weapons on you? Get your hands out your pockets. Get your hands out your pockets.
I don't consent to any searches or seizures of my property,
This is a
sir.
pat down. You understand what a
Yeah.
Terry frisk is, right?
I don't consent to any searches or seizures of my property.
Because I'm concerned for my safety.
Good.
And everybody else's safety here. You keep sticking your hand in your...
The physical boundary is crossed the moment the officer initiates a hands-on search under the guise of officer safety. The United States Supreme Court established strict limits in Terry v. Ohio, ruling that a protective pat-down requires specific, articulable facts that a suspect is armed and dangerous. Merely placing hands in one's pockets due to feeling cold does not legally meet the threshold of reasonable suspicion for a weapons frisk.
I'm going to do that, sir. You've already confirmed I have nothing in
It's not
my...
cold in here.
I'm cold, sir.
I don't understand why you would be.
I'm-
It's the perfect temperature in here.
Okay. All right. Am I free to go?
You are not. Why do you keep asking me over and over again? You're free to go when I tell you you can go.
Okay, thanks.
So if you don't want to say anything, you don't have to, but you're going to stay right there. How's your viewership there? Been pretty good?
I'm not answering any questions, sir.
Mind if I get some royalties off of that? What are you getting out of this?
Me? I'm making sure that people learn their rights. That's what I'm doing. And I don't want to answer any more questions. I'm going to let you do your investigation, and we'll go from there. Am I being detained still?
Yes.
Okay.
Until further stated otherwise.
Okay.
You are under detention.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm fine. No, I literally am still in the lobby. I just went across the street to get an iPhone charger, but I'm charging my phone right now. I just wanted to let you know I'm out. Yeah, that is. I know, I'm so excited. Yeah, I'm gonna look up like the bus tickets and stuff, but you're the first person I call that will let you know I'm out. No, you're good at that. Take my number, okay? This is like legit my iPhone number. I will. Yeah. Okay, I'll keep you updated, babe. Thank you. Okay. Hey, thank you. I know, I'm glad I'm off too. All right, bye.
You need me in there? You're free to go.
Thank you. What's your name and badge number once again from my fans?
What's your name?
What is your name and badge number, public servant?
If you have a question about Mr. Pulliam, then you can go ahead and wait until the packet is ready for him to bond out. Until then, you kind of harassing.
No, I'm not harassing.
Well,
I'm just seeking
you're-
information. I'm going to quit talking to you. Get out of my face.
So just go ahead and.
No, go ahead and leave me alone.
You
Back off.
doing what you're
Back
doing
off.
is not going to help it go any
Get
faster.
back off me, man. Go to work. Go do something.
While Officer Rodriguez chose intimidation and false claims about constitutional rights, not every police encounter ends in tyranny. Let's shift our lens to Costa Mesa, California, where a First Amendment auditor tests a Tesla facility and meets an officer who actually knows the law. Prepare for a total vibe shift. Drop an 11 in the comments if Rodriguez's unlawful tactics frustrated you. Sharing your voice helps expose bad policing and keeps our community sharp.
Okay, I got somebody approaching here. Stay tuned.
Do you need help with anything, sir? Sir? Hi, do you need help with anything? We're gonna have you recording here. You're gonna have to call the police if you continue to record.
Why is that?
We don't allow any videography or photography over here.
What a wackadoo.
Alrighty.
Why would you call the police? Can I give you some literature? Would you like any literature on public photography to ease your discomfort? I have it if you want. You go right ahead, do what you gotta do. We got another car pulling out here. I'm gonna head over to the other driveway and check out what's on the other side of the building. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. Got a trash pickup here. More cameras on this side over here. And one further back, about halfway down the building. This is where they would check in their vehicle at the podium here. Costa Mesa Police showing up here. Car number 713. Let's see what they want to say. So we got Costa Mesa Police that arrived here. They haven't gotten out of their car yet. Maybe he's waiting for backup, who knows, we'll see. Hi.
Mind if I ask what you're recording?
Mind if I ask why is it an issue?
It's not an issue.
Oh, okay.
I'm just asking what.
I can't discuss it right now because it's classified.
Okay.
Yeah.
You have a right to record.
I'm aware of that. Obviously they're not. So I'd like you to go and explain that to them, please.
I can. You have a right to record, but just so you know, if you're on their property.
No, I'm not. I've been on the public easement and I don't plan to go on their property.
I'm just saying if you are.
Yeah, well, that's not going to happen, so.
Notice how the auditor completely neutralizes the officer's routine questions by stating his purpose is classified. Because the officer explicitly admits that the auditor's public filming is not an issue, there is zero reasonable, articulable suspicion of a crime under Terry v. Ohio. Without that specific legal threshold, the police have absolutely no authority to demand identification or compel answers, leaving the officer with no choice but to walk away and educate the business owners instead.
Okay, I'm
You're
just
good.
letting you know.
And what's your badge number and name since you made contact with me?
It's 705 is the badge number, and Dean. Right
Dean?
there.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate
And I'm
it.
recording too, so.
I offered him some free literature on public photography, but he didn't want to take it, so I guess he'd want to hear it from you instead. So.
Okay, can I ask who you talked to?
Somebody in a Tesla shirt and a black hat,
Okay.
and it looked
Yeah.
like he had a beard, so.
All right, I'm not here to give you a hard time. You're
No,
allowed to
I'm
record.
aware of that. Yeah, thank you. I appreciate
So,
it. Yeah.
Yeah. All right, but I know you already know this, but just if you're on their property and they
Yeah,
complain,
no plans to go on their property.
Okay.
Staying on the public easement and
Okay.
along the curb here.
you're just documenting something, or
Like I said, it's classified. I can't talk about it right now.
okay.
Yeah. And now that Costa Mesa PD's going inside to educate him, let's go take a look at the inside of the patrol car here, see if he left his screen up or not. Oh, looks like it. So maybe they learn to close their door. If they want to create privacy, smart on them. Here comes Officer Dean from Costa Mesa Police Department.
Have a good rest of your day.
All right, thank you. Thank you for your service.
Likewise. Anything I can do to help you?
No, I'm good, as long as they're aware that I'm allowed to be here.
That's what I told them.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Have a good day, Officer Dean. So kudos to Costa Mesa Police Department today for his handling of the situation. Be out here for a few more minutes after he leaves, so it doesn't look like I was ran out of here. Car 713.
Just wanted to say I think it's super awesome you're exercising your rights.
Oh, okay.
I
Yeah.
love watching auditing videos on YouTube.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, sweet,
I
yeah.
just want to say I'm a big fan.
Awesome.
Sorry that my buddies called the cops.
Oh, no worries. It's all
It's
education, you
part
know?
of the process, yeah, but
Yeah.
I seriously, I watch those things like all the time. I probably watch them too much.
Oh, yeah. No, I hear you.
So just wanted to say, big fan. Keep up the hard work.
Thank you. Appreciate it. You have a good day.
See you.
That was cordial. Looks like he's a fellow employee. He seemed pretty cool about it.
2 encounters, 1 undeniable truth. The single line standing between accountability and tyranny is a citizen who refuses to bow to unlawful authority. If the flagrant overreach and false legal claims made by Officer Rodriguez left you completely unsatisfied, drop an 11 in the comments right now. Flooding the section with this number signals to the algorithm that our community stands united against bad policing and demands absolute constitutional compliance. If you have ever been unlawfully targeted or forced to show identification without legal cause, lay out your story down below to help others prepare for the streets. Subscribe to ID Refusal 11 to ensure you are never caught off guard or manipulated by a badge again. This is ID Refusal 11, where your civil rights are not a privilege to be negotiated, but the most powerful weapon you own. Remember this and carry it with you. In this country, freedom is not something you ask permission for. It is something you exercise. Thank you for watching. Stand firm, and we will see you on the next breakdown.